Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my channel Learning with Miss Wiwit. Oke, pada kali ini Miss akan mengajarkan sebuah teks yang berdasarkan fakta ilmiah dan hasil observasi atau pengamatan. What kind of the text that? Okay, my students, before we're learning today, I have two pictures for you. Look at the pictures. I want to asking you what come to your mind after seeing the pictures. Sudah ada jawabannya? Pandemic? That's good. The pandemic. And what did you do during the pandemic? How about your school? How did you feel while studying online? Okay, that's good. In 2019, all schools have closed their students because of COVID-19. COVID-19 is very dangerous for health and can also cause death. So today, we will learn about a text that contains social phenomenon about COVID-19, namely its report text. Especially, we learned factual report about the COVID-19. So, what we are learning today? We will be learning how to identify, how to analyze about the social function, text structures, and grammatical features in the report text, especially in factual report about the COVID-19. So, what is the report text? The report text is a genre of the text that present information about something, generally an entire class of things. It is a result of systematic observation and analysis. In the factual report discusses facts from research or observation. Nah, Ananda sekalian, teks report itu adalah salah satu jenis teks yang menyajikan mengenai informasi tentang sesuatu secara umum. Ini adalah hasil pengamatan dan analisis yang sistematis. Dan pada factual report text di sini membahas mengenai fakta-fakta dari penelitian maupun observasi. Many students and many people confused about the report text and descriptive text because report and descriptive text have a similar structures. So, what is the difference between report and descriptive text? In the report text describes object in general, while descriptive text describe specific object. Jadi, report text itu menggambarkan objek secara umum, sedangkan descriptive text lebih menggambarkan objek secara detail. What is the social function or purpose of report text? Its social function is presenting information about the something. They generally describe an entire class of things, whether natural or made, mammals, the planet, rock, plains, countries of region, culture, transportation, or culture, social phenomenon, nature phenomenon. To present information about the something as it. Nah, pada social function atau tujuan report text ini adalah menyajikan informasi tentang sesuatu, pada umumnya menggambarkan keseluruhan benda, baik itu alami maupun buatan manusia, seperti mamalia, planet, batuan, tumbuhan, ataupun tentang fenomena alam serta fenomena sosial. Okay, my students, if you want to write a correct report text, you should know what is the generic structure of the report text. Report text have the two generic structure. For the first is general classification. It tells what the phenomenon under discussion, such as animal, public place, plane, social phenomenon, which discussed in general. Di sini menceritakan mengenai fenomena apa saja yang dibicarakan, seperti hewan, tempat umum, fenomena sosial yang akan dibahas secara umum. Lanjut in the description. It tells what the phenomenon under discussion is in terms of various topic or terms such as its parts, qualities, habit, or behavior. Nah, pada sesi description ini menceritakan fenomena yang sedang dibicarakan dalam berbagai topik atau tema, seperti bagiannya seperti apa, sifatnya seperti apa, kebiasaannya ataupun perilakunya. Next, language feature or grammatical of report text, atau tata bahasa yang ada di dalam text report. The first is simple present tense. Present tense verb to state a general facts. Di sini adalah kata kerja present tense untuk menyatakan fakta umum. Next, relating verbs. Linking verb to determine the characteristic of something. Di sini adalah mengenai kata kerja penghubung untuk menentukan ciri-ciri sesuatu. Next, general nouns, common nouns atau kata benda umum. Next, technical terms. Di sini mengenai istilah teknis dalam bidang ilmu tertentu. Next, action terms. Action verb to describe behavior. Di sini merupakan kata kerja tindakan untuk menggambarkan perilaku. And the last one, paragraph with topic sentence. Paragraf dengan kalimat topik yang digunakan untuk menyusun sebuah informasi. Okay, my students, I have an example of report text about the COVID-19. And I want to asking you, what is the social function of the text? Sudah ada jawabannya? And next question, which part that consists in general classification? Sudah ada jawabannya, Nanda? And the last question, which part that consists description on the text? Okay, my students, in the text, for the first paragraph is a general classification, and the second paragraph, third paragraph, and the fourth paragraph is description. The second paragraph is fact one atau fakta yang pertama, and the third paragraph is fact two atau fakta yang kedua, and the last paragraph is fact 3 atau fakta yang ketiga. And then have the grammatical features, the simple present tense. Coba lihat, jika simple present tense ini Miss merahkan tulisannya. Look at that. COVID-19 is the disease caused by the new coronavirus that emerged in China in December 2019. Ini merupakan bentuk kalimat dari simple present tense di dalam teks ini. And next, technical terms. Di sini ada coronavirus, diare, headache, nausea, coronavirus vaccine. And the action terms have the washing, wearing, practice. Okay, do you understand about the factor report text about the COVID-19?
Yes!
Okay, my student, I think it's enough. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.